Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to cover the some secret settings of the home screen. I will cover quickly, and that will be valid for one UI version 3.1 4.1 and above. How to see the UI version I will tell you. Just go to the settings and go to the about phone, and then here go to the software version. Here one UI version is 4.1, so this will be valid for 4.15 and above. So just quickly come to the topic, that is secret settings of the home screen. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So guys, just what I need to do to go to the home screen layout, just we drag our finger and the thumb inside, and this will happen like this. Now we can see setting here. We will go to the settings. In settings we can see home screen layout. Here we can select either home and app screens or home screen only. If we are selecting home screen only, then we will be return to the home screen, and all the apps will come in the same, just like in older mobile. No app window will come if we swipe it up. So this is about home screen layout. Okay, just go to the here, and just again I am going to the settings. Second, home screen grid. Home screen grid can be changed to the 4x5, 4x6, 5x5. You can see the changes. 5x6, keep it 4x5. Then again, folder grid means in a folder what do you want to see? 3 rows and 4 icons, or 4 rows and 4 icons. So you can set like that. Now we will come to the home and app screen. Apply. Now home and app screen. Now we can see the apps. After some time the app will come. Now app screen has come. This is app screen and this is home screen. So now we'll again go to the settings. App screen grid can also be changed to the 4x5 or 4x6 or 5x5, just like home screen grid. So now coming back on the home screen, here we can also see that hide apps. If we want to hide any app from the home screen, we can go to the hide app, and it will ask us which screen. Suppose we want to hide WhatsApp, then we will go to the WhatsApp and tick it. Done. Now WhatsApp will not be shown. It was coming here, now it will not come. Now we will go again there. Now we want our WhatsApp back. Just go and deselect it. Done. Now WhatsApp will come. So WhatsApp has come here again. So this is hide app. Now one thing more I want to tell you. Just hide apps. Swipe down for notification panel. If it is on, if it is off, then what will happen? If you swipe down here, notification will not come. To see the notification panel, we have to swipe down from the above. But if it is on, suppose if it is on, then notification panel can be accessed from between also. In the screen, any part, we have to just swipe down and the notification panel will come. So these are the 7-8 secrets which I want to tell you about the home screen, which is valid for one UI version 4.1 and above. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe. Please press the bell icon. Please share on social media platforms. Thank you very much.